This is a 2010 Lexus IS 250. It features a 2.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Preferred Equipment Package, a navigation system, a power moonroof, cooled seats, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a CD player, a leather interior, premium wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.